Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to teach you how to complete the assignment for Unit of Inquiry about Florence Nightingale. So today we're going to learn about someone who is considered a hero in history, and her name is Florence Nightingale. So as you can see, when you log into Seesaw, you will see this assignment right here with step-by-step instructions. You're going to click on it. Okay, and it says, "Hello class, during this challenging time, we're going to learn about one of the greatest nurses in world history, Florence Nightingale. Please follow the steps. First, watch the video," which is right here. So you're going to click on the video. Okay, and the video is about 25 minutes long, so it's going to take a little bit of a time, but it is a really good video that tells you the story of Florence Nightingale. So finish watching the video, and then after you watch the video, think of 3 adjectives that you would like to use to describe Nightingale and other nurses in the world. So we've learned about adjectives before we went into distance learning. So adjectives are words that describe people, like good, kind, passionate, wonderful, nice. All of those are adjectives. So you're going to think of 3 words after you watch the video that you think can best describe Nightingale and other nurses. Okay? And then you're going to create a poster. Use the sentence frame, "Nurses are blank, blank, and blank." So those are the 3 words that you should have thought about in step 2. And it can look as simple as this, or you can decorate, draw, do more. It's totally up to you. As long as you have the sentence, "Nurses are blank, blank, and blank." As long as you have the sentence with 3 adjectives, you're good. Okay. After that, you're going to click Add a Response. Okay, and choose your name. Okay, I'm going to choose sample student as an example. And then you can either choose photo, or you can choose, if you've already taken the photo, you can choose upload. I'm going to choose photo. Okay. And then I'm going to take a selfie with my poster. Okay, and after this, I'm going to click the little green arrow on the top right and be done with the homework for today.